So far, everything seems fine. We are so back, everybody. Welcome back to another live stream. This time, I also have an interesting angle. I never live streamed from this angle, actually. Feels kind of weird, but here we are in Germany, in Berlin. From my, I don't know, yeah, just from my place, I guess. Welcome back to another one, guys. Welcome back to another Ratatui adventure. Let's get it. Let's get it. How's it going, everybody? How's everything? What is popping, guys? Actually, I like this angle because when I look at you, I actually look at the chat. So it's not bad. It's not bad. It's more like a sincere way of I don't know. Like, I feel very close to you guys because you see me with all my shit in the background. Oh, hello Tantan, welcome. Guys, check out Tantan's latest. I'm not sure if it's the latest, but check out his channel. He made like a great video on hacking on Ratty. Man, you are a legend. I mean, that was so fucking fun. I love that video. Thank you for making it. So we can actually take a look together. In case anyone is wondering why the hell I'm very obsessed with the background and everything, it is because I just moved to Germany. That's why I am just in this place and doesn't have my usual setup, but whatever. So if you go to his channel, let's see. He made this like amazing video. I really liked it. Also the editing and the editing and like the how do you call it? The bugs, like the bugs that we have in the that I have in the terminal it's kind of funny because I mean, I watched you suffer here, but like at the same time it was really fun. So good job with making this entertaining as hell. So yeah, check this video out, guys. I will post the link to the chat live streaming. There you go. I still don't have the second monitor. All I have is just wait, give me a second. Where's the OBS? Okay, I need to rotate this thing a little bit. Yes, that's perfect. Okay. I'm still struggling it just a little bit, but we'll get there. We'll get there. We have this simple ass setup. So what are we doing, guys? First of all, let me crack open this bad boy over here. Got the zero Zucker monster. Life is so good, man. Life is so good. Life is so this is all it takes to make a man happy, you know. So what are we doing? So first of all, RustRover. We're using RustRover because I mean apparently okay, let me give you guys the news in case you don't know. I have joined JetBrains. I love this photo, man. I love this photo. So now now I have the opportunity to actually make RustRover even better. So why not take advantage of that? So now we're using RustRover. I've explained all this, all the motivation behind everything, and just gave you a fun story at the end. So yeah, we're using RustRover now, and okay, Any office questions, any JetBrains related questions, drop them in the chat. I'm happy to answer them. But just to flex, the office is great. I love the office. I love the people there. It's so great. I'm having so much fun, and I don't even have time to just sit down and just think about what's going on. I just live the moment, man. You know what I'm saying? So we just living in the moment. So it's been real great. And yeah, that's that. So I'm basically gonna do like developer advocacy for JetBrains stuff. I hope my video is not lagging. Okay, maybe I should not tap on the on laptop that much, because apparently this USB-C thing is just freezing. It's not great. I'm having technical issues already. Hello, welcome. Must JM3Q. God damn it, man. What kind of a developer advocate am I? JetBrains, let me get the video kit. Guys, help me out here. My video is frozen. Help me out, guys. Okay, so how do I restart this? Oh man, we're so cooked. We are absolutely cooked. We are, oh my god. Guys, I don't know when ThinkPads have, like, since when ThinkPads have like a night vision camera. What the fuck is this? Like, why do I have a night vision? But apparently now ThinkPads are able to do this. So I guess that's the camera that I'm gonna use in this live stream, guys. Night vision. Actually, right now I'm in a rave. I'm in a rave right now. Let's get it. I have P14 S or something. Fully based. Guys, this is Berlin. This is Berlin. I moved here just for this. God damn it, what's going on? I just wanna God damn it. Okay, I'm gonna bring this back somehow. Maybe I could just use my own, like this is extremely oh, I know what's going on. Okay, I know what's going on. I know what the hell is going on here. Okay, maybe we could use this one. Oh my god. Guys, everything is broken now. Everything is broken. I'm so sorry. I'm just waiting for the video kit to arrive. Okay, maybe we'll use this one. It's not bad. It's not bad. I mean, it's better than nothing, I guess. It's better than nothing. I have no idea why this is happening, by the way. I had a nice camera, man. Now I have nothing. Guys, can you give me just one or 2 minutes? Let me just figure this out, man. This is so annoying. Let me just figure this out real quick. Let's take a break. Maybe I could just use this one, or maybe no. I don't know. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. This is what happens if you do live streams. Anyone is doing live streams, they know the struggle. They know the struggle for sure. Video device. Okay, that's that. Okay, give me just 1 sec. Oh my god, dude. Just let me just do a live stream. Let me just do a live stream. Maybe I should just use the Rave camera. Anyways, fuck it. Nothing can stop me now. I will just use this camera. I will just use this one. Fuck it. I've given up. I've given up. What the hell? Where's the video? What the hell? I'm just exposing all my OBS settings. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, there you go. There you go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. We just put that thing there. I'll make it a little bit bigger. It's better than nothing. Okay, better than nothing. Cool. Am I back, guys? Do you hear me fine? Do you see me fine? What's going on? What's going on? Let me just put it there a little bit like that. Trust me, we're gonna get like the super nice quality setup at some point that I don't have to configure this thing ever again. Okay. That was such a waste of time. Perfect. Best entrance to live stream. Okay, so we're using RustRover. We're using RustRover. Hello Samus, by the way, welcome to this live stream. First thing that I want to do here, I want to configure the theme, because I just realized I didn't change it. Okay, Darkula. Oh no, that's the classic one. Dark. I actually want to... So what color theme do I use in my other editor? I think I'm gonna just go ahead and install what was it called? Kanagawa or some marketplace Kanagawa theme. Just install it. Hello babe, welcome to live stream. Guys, my girlfriend is watching, okay? Just be careful what you type. Such a giga chat. Okay. Give me a second actually. Let me check the chat real quick. I don't want to install Kubernetes, no, thank you. There was one plugin that I used at some point that had like anime girls. Does anyone know the name of that plug? No. Okay, never mind. I just realized my girlfriend is watching. I'm sorry, ma'am. I was just kidding. I was kidding. Okay, ID of him. Update. Art user with girlfriend. Dude. Now I need to explain that meme to her. Font size 15. I think I need to increase the font size as like the window font size. Right. Ligatures, yes, please enable them. Please enable them. What else do I have? This is too small, like this is window. Okay, just let me know if you don't see what I'm typing. Maybe I could make the editor font size bigger as well. I think there was a setting for that, but I don't remember how to. I don't remember the hotkey. It's 18. Okay. What's RustRover written in Java? So IntelliJ, that's the name of the IDE, the underlying technology. So I think I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Maybe like let me check the code base tomorrow. Let me check the code base tomorrow. Okay. What are we gonna do? We're gonna basically open Ratatui, right? We opened Ratatui. So guys, I want to simply create a release tomorrow. Okay, that's the goal at least. So we got like some things to do before that. I mean, I already have some things lined up. Okay, it's indexing. So let's go to, where do I go? Discussions. New release discussion, I think that was called. Come on, you can do it. Why is everything so slow? I had this laptop cooler. Wait, let me check the live stream health. Looks good. So I had this laptop cooler that I was using. Well, while I had this, like in my room back in Turkey, I had this laptop cooler that is like also a bit like a stand that I was putting my laptop on, and that really helped like making this setup more comfortable and also cooler in terms of temperature. So I don't have that here. That is why things heat up really quickly. But maybe I'll get it when I switch to a permanent apartment. But for now we just have this setup. Anyways, enough excuses. Let's get to cooking. So what are we doing? So we have this PR. Did you lower the music by 15%? Yeah, thank you for letting me know. Maybe I could boost my microphone as well. I don't know. Shouldn't be that loud. I don't know why it was. Is it better? Just check. Let me know. Is it better? So unleash the rats. We have this PR, right? By the way, I never use the Git integration here. I don't think I'll use it, to be honest. I'll basically go ahead to the key bindings. Perfect now. Thank you for checking. Terminal, tool windows, terminal, completion, terminal, open in terminal, terminal, clear terminal. How do I open in terminal? So okay, RustRover terminal key binding. Yeah, new Helix UI, absolutely. Launch terminal, yeah. So launch terminal. Launch. There's no terminal. I couldn't find that. Shell prompt. Control Alt 0T. What kind of a key binding is that? What is 0T? Yeah, tool windows. Control J. Oh, okay, that's the same as what I was using. That's cool. I like that. Okay, so basically I can use this. I just got a call. Okay, so what the hell I was doing? Basically, so what are we doing? So let me just rebase main first, because I think we have some changes there. So moving on to the sandwich stuff, the image in docs readme should be regenerated. So I also need the key binding for the file explorer. I don't know the key binding for that. File explorer. Shit. RustRover file explorer keyboard shortcuts. This is me being entirely transparent with my setup, guys. I literally work at JetBrains right now, and I don't know these key bindings, but it is what it is. Okay, I'm there to improve the product. All right, so I'm just, yeah. It's better this way. Okay, where's my chat? Chat just disappeared. Shift. Yeah, shift is really good actually. But Explorer file shift in case you don't know, it's search everywhere action, and it's basically you press shift twice and then you type in what you want to do. It's pretty good. Recent files, Control E. Okay. File on third menu. What do you mean? Anyways, file. What is this thing called? Project. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Oh, that's so good. Okay. So, okay, readme. Yeah, I was already looking into readme. Just editor, please. Oh, this font size is still too small. Font size. Can I tweak that here? Okay, font size again. I actually like shift a lot. Like, okay, that's now still very small, I think, but okay, anyways. So we need to update which image? I need to take a look at the preview. This one. So in order to update this one, I think this one was called release header or something. Yeah, release header. There you go. Double shift is the tool mostly teach you how to use IDs from the for sure. I prefer zooming instead of changing font size because everywhere has own font size setting. Oh. Zoom. Wait, this is still... font. Maybe, okay, wait. I'm gonna figure this out 1 second. So I'm gonna go to the font size in appearance and then make this 14, right? Oh, that's incredibly small. Okay, maybe 16, and then the font size here is gonna be 16 as well, and then we're gonna basically zoom. And yeah, that's I think better. I think. And actually, I'm gonna increase this to 18. Okay, that's good. That zoom UI scaled not. Yeah, I know that. Okay, I'm happy with this right now, so that's good. Hello, welcome, Manuel Arte. How's it going? Wait, where's the? Now the cursor. Now the. Okay, there you go. There you go. All right, so cool. Can you explain a bit what you're working on? Of course, I'm working on Ratatui, this project, this rat project, and right now I'm working on releasing it. And I'm not gonna release it today, but I will basically get ready for the release, and we are gonna do it tomorrow probably. So that's the goal. I wanna regenerate this release example, release header. So this is the. So right now, what I'm building is the image in README. So if you go to, I still need to get used to the key bindings here, but yeah, there you go. If you go to README, this image is what I'm trying to regenerate, and I just realized the zoom is taking effect here, which is not great. Anyways, probably don't need to do anything here, but okay. So if you run it, you get this view, which is not that. Yeah, it's fine, I think. In order to regenerate this image, we basically need to run the VHS tape. This is a tool that allows you to basically capture terminal state and create GIFs or screenshots from that. And we are gonna let me actually show you the release header tape first. So this is the release header tape. Do I have Vim enabled right now? I don't think so. Actually, no. Why can't I type here? So weird. What is going on? I need to update RustRover at some point. Idea of Vim. Made in Go. Yeah, exactly. That's the one. Which laptop are you using? I missed it. Your battery icon at the top is never decreasing. So I'm using a ThinkPad. And it's ThinkPad P14S, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm using. What is Karma? Wait, so Vim, idea Vim. I need to restart it. Okay. Yeah, restart it. Just disappeared. I don't have money to pay JetBrains. I think it's free for non-commercial use. You were using Z, but that's IntelliJ. Yeah, this is IntelliJ. Yes, that's correct. It's RustRover. It's a pretty good IDE. Give it a try. Okay, my friend is just texting me. He is saying that he's like, where are you and what are you doing? Where are you? And I'm like literally on a live stream right now, bro. I'm on a live stream, all right? Okay, anyways. At some point I will configure the plugin, but basically let's yank this and then use an IDE shortcut. Don't show. So what I was doing is basically regenerating the example. I didn't copy this one. Oops, what did I do? What's the shortcut for paste? What's the paste shortcut? I don't know. Okay, we're learning, guys. We're learning here. I need to go to key bindings. Yeah, you can use it for open source. That's totally fine. A bit of off topic. Feel free to not reply if you don't want. I just replied. What's your take on using AI? It's a good question. It's a bit of a long topic to talk about, but I have this blog post which you can read. And that will answer all your questions probably. Paste editor, key map, a paste, terminal, paste, Control V or Shift, insert, Control Shift, Control Alt. I want Control Alt. Okay. Remove that one. Okay, there you go. Oops. Okay, now we're in business again. Wait, didn't I copy this? Is it like another buffer? Yank. What the hell? Anyways, okay, so let's just run the release header tape. I'll figure out the copy and paste later on. So this will basically... Okay, it failed. Amazing. Asset, so I need to run it from here probably. Examples, VHS, release header. Okay, so we have a new release header. Let's take a look at it. And it's broken. Okay, so the problem is it's halfway not visible. I wonder why that is. Let's have a look at it in here. I mean, it's visible here, so I don't know why it didn't work. Let's try again. Cooking, loud watching you. Thank you. I mean, do I have to make the make this thing bigger or something? I mean, this is the size that we have, and this is a fixed size. Good evening, welcome to live stream. Guten Abend zusammen. I hope no one knows German in the chat. I'll be so embarrassed. Maybe the font size is the problem. So maybe let's try 20. Let's try 20. It was a really good one. Thank you. Okay, it seems like the font size was the problem actually. Now we have a better one. Maybe try 22. Oops, what did I do? I press something when something is firing, right? Stop. Don't build. VHS. Now that you're a part of JetBrains, can you ask them to also develop an extension for Helix bindings like they do with IDFM? Maybe it already exists, I don't know. But I can definitely relay your feedback. But the thing is, I'm mostly like focused on RustRover and the Rust part of the whole ecosystem. So yeah, but I can do my best to ask them and stuff. I'm not sure if this is like related to like, I'm not sure if it's related to the JetBrains term, like the IntelliJ terminal. So let's try it here. Maybe it's gonna do a better job at generating the GIF. I literally just said GIF. I'm sorry for that, guys. Not this. Examples, VHS, and release header tape. If you have any specific feedback in terms of RustRover, just let me know. Oh, I have changed the font size though. Let me bring it back. What would you like to see exactly in that plugin? Oh, okay, it's broken in my terminal as well, so nothing related to JetBrains terminal. VHS. I'm a DA for JetBrains IDs plugins, by the way. Plugin development, to be precise. Welcome, man. First time. I think we haven't talked yet, have we? Maybe. I'm sorry if we have just talked and I don't remember, because you know, first week, so many things happening. I literally forget people's names. I think extensions works the same way on all IDs from JetBrains, no? So it will cross IDE from form JetBrains. Just rat puns. That's good. Then we need more rat puns in JetBrains, man. Which office are you at? Maybe we could discuss this in DMs. But yeah, okay. It's better like this, I think. 25 is not like the font size. 25 is not that good. I think I'm gonna go with 24. 25, it just broke. Like, I don't know why, but maybe we could like okay, make this a little bit bigger, maybe. Height 420, 480, 520. Let's try this one. Full Helix key binding support like the modal editing side. Okay, looks good. I love this one. Okay, so okay, update release header push force push. Okay, done. Done. Use all conversation. Let's go to this commit. Hello, are you planning to look at my PR today? Yes, I have it here. It's the next in my list. So this is good. I'm gonna put like a going with the release tomorrow party checklist. First, make sure that release please workflow is enabled and pray that it works. Next, merge this one. So guys, in case you don't know what release please is, release please is a release automation tool that we are using as part of our repo, and it basically makes a couple of things possible. First one is you can simply and easily release individual crates with their individual changelogs, and it's fully automated. It runs in the GitHub CI, and yeah, that's that. And we are using it here. Let me show you. Release toml or something. Release YAML maybe. Yeah. But we had some problems with it, especially with the changelog generation and how it was. Yeah, there was some issues. So we disabled it. So I need to re-enable that before the release for sure. So I'm gonna make a note. It's kind of nice that you can now, like, I think it's not new, but like you can now like disable or enable certain workflows directly from GitHub. You don't have to edit the YAML file. So yeah, I need to enable this. So I'm gonna make a note. Is enabled. Boom. Merge this one. So this is the release PR, and what will happen is basically let me refresh this page. So what will happen is when you update the version in a toml file, let's say in here, if it loads, or here, it will pick up this version, and it will release it from the CI. So that's the whole workflow. It's not the same as release please from Google, right? It's very inspired from release please, but this one is specifically for Rust projects. Today I feel Rover. Thank you, Ferris. Thank you for the donation. $5. That's gonna get me another monster, man. Thanks for keeping me energized, and also moderating the live stream. Thanks a lot. So yeah, that's the release please. Also, like I'm kind of jumping all over the place right now, but I wanna like what the hell happened? The terminal is kind of broken. So I want to like cargo publish dry run this actually, because I want to make sure that this publish command works. Do you mind creating a U-track ticket for that? All details, we can push that further. U-track is the platform that we use for tracking. Tracking the IDE features. So that's not good. That's not good at all. So I think I just discovered a bug. Okay. Codex. Codex, help me out here. Okay, go back. MCP startup. I don't need that right now. I'm on a release branch right now. Oops. Why can't I just press enter? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use my own terminal emulator while running Codex, because why not? Guys, this is Ratty. This is Ratty. So what are we gonna do? Codex. I'm gonna release. Oops, my bad. I'm on a release branch right now. I tried running cargo publish dry run in Ratatui. There, it failed. What the fuck is wrong? What the hell is going on? I think it's a dependency issue. Yeah, absolutely. We have a rat also. Also, yeah, you have a rat as the cursor and you can do stuff like this. This is Ratty, guys. Check out Ratty on GitHub. So yeah. Yeah. Bro, casually Mobius stripping. I think it's better than normal stripping. Guys, my girlfriend is watching. Okay, please don't make these jokes, okay? Read path dependencies are gone. The local workspace has never Ratatouille with its code, but the register version cargo. Oh no. That's not good. That's not good at all. I guess. Okay, so update the versions of required Ratatouille dependencies to then also make sure that those are published on crates.io first. So we have some release ordering and release versioning issue here. Also, we have a Mobius strip. Yeah, just dry run everything. So okay, new release discussion. We gotta merge that one. I'll get back to your PR. I'm sorry, I just got stuck here. Ratatouille website. I think we have the highlights PR to merge as well. I think I had another checklist. Where was it? That one actually is a bit. It might be a bit helpful here because I'm gonna basically do the same things. It's okay. Okay, so we have the 0.30 release discussion here somewhere. It was actually in the beginning of the year, so quite a memorial moment for Ratatouille in the beginning of the year. But I don't know how I'm gonna find this actually. Checklist maybe. Yeah, we need to update these releases. Let me do a Mobius strip. I accidentally discovered a huge C++ live stream. It's RustRover. And C++ YouTube, all of them in the chat, but I could not resist to hit him with the classic. The classic what? Which live stream? Paris, I'm lost. Sorry, I was just so focused on the Mobius strip that I just lost what you just said. By the way, any questions regarding life in Berlin and what I'm doing right now, feel free to ask and just, you know, feel free to just I don't know, use the chat, guys. I mean, I'm here for you guys, okay? I'm here for my homies, you know what I'm saying? So hell yeah. We just have a rat in the terminal. Are you eating currywurst daily? No, I haven't actually. So my strategy when it comes to food is I try to cook as much as possible, you know, to the best of my abilities. I'm not the best chef out there, apart from cooking ratatouille. Actually, now that I have this kitchen, we can live stream cooking ratatouille. Okay, 5,000 subscribers. Let's hit 5,000 and then I'm gonna cook ratatouille live. We're gonna have the oven. I don't have the oven in this apartment, but we're gonna have microwave that shit. All right, so 5,000 subs. We're gonna cook ratatouille live. It's gonna be, like I said, memorial moment. Okay, it's gonna be like the top of my rat puns. The top of the peak of rat puns. All right, so ratatouille live, absolutely. I'm gonna just invite all the ratatouille maintainers. I'm gonna say, hey guys, let's review some PRs, and boom, no PRs, no laptop, just cooking ratatouille live. Tomato, fucking peppers, you know what I'm saying, like making that sauce or whatever the fuck that is, and we gonna fucking cook that shit. Okay, so sorry, I'm super excited. Let's get to 5k subs. All right. The pinnacle of streaming. You're gonna get the pinnacle of streaming, absolutely. Micro electro rat puns. Hell yeah. Welcome to Berlin. Thank you. Thank you. I just found a new gym. I actually tried 3 gyms so far. Yeah. 3 gyms, and now I just started going to one of them regularly. Second day. Join Discord. I have naked photos in this. No. Don't. My girlfriend is watching, guys. I should be more careful about what I'm saying. So, I have some photos. I have, like, I post updates. I post updates on Discord. Let's put it that way, babe. I love you. Babe, I love you. I was just joking. There's like no. I was just joking. Guys, you just put him in a difficult position. Don't do that. Okay, checklist. I totally got distracted. I'm absolutely distracted. Okay, so now we have some immersion updates, I guess. What's your favorite tool made with Ratatouille? That's a pretty good question. Right now, it changes from time to time. It changes every day. So, let me think. I don't know. Actually. I don't know. There's so many tools, man. There's so many tools. I guess nowadays it's just Ratty, man. Come on, this terminal is my favorite. It's a bit like it's my project, but still, you know, I just like it. I just like it. Cooking is easy when you have your spices prepared. I recommend to try out Maggi Thai and Indian sauces. They sold in a small plastic packets at Revi and Adeka. Pretty easy meal. So, okay, I'm gonna note that down. Actually, that sounds quite delicious and quite easy to cook. So, good tip. Thank you. NRHM, my man. Thank you. I'm learning. I'm getting German. I'm getting Deutsch. Deutsch. Ich lebe Deutschland. Meine liebe what was the country in German? Country in German. How do I say that? Fuck, dude. I just forget all the basic words. God damn it. Here's a big question. Can we watch live stream over Ratatouille? Got it right. We can do that. Land. Okay. Deutschland. Deutschland is mine. Okay, is it the land or their land? I don't know. Deutschland is meine Lieberland. Mine. Fuck, I butchered the language. I'm sorry, guys. Love you too. Then I'll join the Discord. Love you too, babe. Just join Discord. Join Discord, and yeah, we'll get you. We'll see you there. Okay. Deutschland. Deutschland, absolutely. Update versions. Let me do some work, guys. I've been just yapping. Bro. Let me do some work. Oops. Let me do some work. Okay, so what's the release order? I'm afraid if we release something early, then it might break the release flow. Can we configure the release order via release, please? Okay, so we probably need to configure my key binding to scroll, because I just realized Control D just closed all the tabs. Okay, that's fine though, we can do it later. Release please toml. I think we have a release please toml as well. Yes, it's here. So changelog path, changelog config, release always, hammer check, git release body. So this is actually a fun story. You have basically, so at some point we were pinging every contributor because of this release automation, because it was generating the changelog and it would tag everybody. So right now, if you go to changelog MD, you'll see that we still tag most people here, but basically it would add, like, it would generate this changelog and add it to the release, like the PR buddy, and this way it was just pinging everybody that contributed to all the releases, and it was super annoying. So that's why we have this git release buddy configuration. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so what was the release order? I cannot scroll here. It's a bit annoying. Zellige is not allowing me to scroll. That's actually quite annoying. How am I going to see? Okay, release order for this branch. Let's see, core, let's see, cross term. So now if we run release please in the CI, it should be good. I think it should be good, but not sure. I am not sure. You cannot be sure of anything these days. You cannot. So release please enable. I'm gonna enable that. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you the highlights. Let me show you the highlights. So we have release please release dry run. I actually don't trust that much. It might, I don't know why it's trying to run that. So we have a dry run. Perform all checks without uploading. Okay, don't upload, please. Don't maybe I can run this myself. Please release dry run. Git release now config digispecify git token of forge. Do I have to? That's not good. Git token. So maybe we can do some like git token, git up out token. Okay, let me not fuck this up, because if I fuck this up, I'm gonna basically expose some shit that I should not expose. Guys, should I run this? Should I run this? Any opinions on this command? Any opinions? Let me get some feedback. 10 likes and I'll run it. Yes. Run it. Okay, so highlights. This is the PR that I was mentioning, by the way. Let me add this to here. Where's the... Oh, I just closed the tab. I cannot believe I just closed the tab. Okay. Really release discussion. Sammons is like, Sammons, you should know about this stuff. You just gave me like a beefy server on your university machine. In case you guys don't know, Sammons donated a nice machine to me. Appreciate that, Sammons. Oh my god, I didn't save the comment. God damn it. It's annoying. So okay. Merge the highlights. It's annoying. Merge release highlights. What was the second one? Merge. Unleash the rats. Something. Merge the release PR. Make sure that release please workflow is enabled. GitHub Ratatui. Going with the release tomorrow. By the way, let me refresh this tab. Going with the release tomorrow. Here is a checklist. Okay, where's the actions? I'm running this, by the way. I'm gonna run it. Fuck it. You just live once. It's not even YOLO. YG. You just live once. YG. LO. Okay. That's no more YOLO. We just YGLO from now on. I just got my own Urban Dictionary word. Very proud of this. YJ, sorry. Fucking hell. Guys, I need to learn German at some point, you know that, right? Ich muss Deutsch lernen. Ich muss Deutsch lernen. Ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen. Ich kann nicht Deutsch live streamen. So, yeah. Gotta do that. Okay, so what are we doing? Merger release highlights. Announce on socials, Discord, X, Mastodon, Blue Sky, LinkedIn, Rust Reddit, Rust subreddit, Rust Jerks subreddit. Okay, Rust subreddits, let's just put it that way. Rust subreddits, This Week in Rust, newsletter. I guess that's it. I mean, we're gonna just announce it everywhere. So highlights. This is done. Release please, that's all. I added a link. Let's run this, dry run. Skipping release, current comment is not from a release PR. It's kind of a disappointing thing. How did you infer the release order. I still have to look at your PR, by the way. I don't know if you're watching must JJ, but I'll get to that. I'll probably merge it, by the way. Don't worry. Check with dry run again, maybe. Let's push this. I can check myself. Basically, dry run. I'm trying to learn Rust, and I bought the books. Humble bundle for Rust. Very cool. Have you started the Humble Bundle promotion for Rust books? I don't know what that is, to be honest. Thanks, I'm still here. We'll get there. Trust me. Maybe I can get there now. So guys, this is the highlights. Let me show you the highlights for Ratatui 0.30.1. Oh, never mind, it's a tool. This is release please an alias. No, it's a tool that you run from CI. So yeah. Where's the highlights? So this is what we're gonna have in Ratatouille 0.30.1. In case you want to read it already, I will send a link to the chat. We have really fun stuff in here. Trust me. We have fun stuff. So these are all the changes. I'm not sure if I should mention the change from must JJ. But yeah, we're gonna have a look. Now, oh my god, this is the worst streaming setup ever. Look at me. I'm literally in a rat position. I don't know why my camera just died. I mean, I had this nicer setup, but now we just have to grind with the laptop camera, man. You know, sometimes you gotta grind with the laptop camera. Yeah, CI preview pages, absolutely. So okay, let's that's done. That's also done. I'm gonna comment here. Okay, let's have a look at your PR. So this is the PR number. I think this is gonna be fine, so I'm gonna just take a look. So feed render, add function for applying buffer. Add a public API for applying and flashing the terminal buffer. A minimal usage will look something like this. You create a backend, you create a terminal, and then you create a buffer, and then you do some operations here, and then you render some text onto that buffer, and then you merge the terminal buffer with another buffer, and then you apply the buffer none, which means what? My primary motivation for this PR is to improve the ECS ergonomics in Bevy Ratatouille. Question: do you have a issue or PR in Bevy Ratatouille already? Because if you have, then that's gonna give you like more of a thing to show here and say, hey, I really need this for this PR, and I can have a better understanding of why we might want to go with this. Not in the cursor position, but this should be useful for anyone developing an architecture that necessitates a separate and owned buffer lifecycle. You can read a bit more motivation below. I have hidden away a default because it might be too rambly and not technically relevant. Okay, the idea is basically have widgets that are rendered by systems that have autonomous access to ECS world state. It's not possible with a traditional widget render, which requires the user to supply the state to the widget manually. Store a separate and own buffer in the ECS world that the systems will draw into at the end of the frame. The buffer is applied on a real buffer in the terminal using the function added in this PR. A rough sketch of what the widget system could look like. You get a frame, you get a query, and frame render is a bit frame. Okay, so I think I have some understanding of what you're trying to do, but I'm not sure if this implementation is the best way forward for that. So let's see, apply buffer, cursor position. So first of all, the call at the call site. Okay, let me actually leave a comment. Having an option at the call site is not the best API, I believe. For example, when I saw the wait, actually no. Apply buffer. This feels like I think I would love to see the Bevy side of things first before I go ahead with this. And also the API is a bit weird, like the cursor position. Why do we have the cursor position in the apply buffer function? I would prefer to have two distinct functions here for a cleaner API. For example, this feels like the 99%.com. It basically just explicit draw function. Got you. It's gonna do that in a bit ready because the feature isn't available yet. You can use the Git dependency, can't you? You can like bring this from your own branch and just experiment with this in Baby Ratatui, and then we could probably get feedback from what was his name, JXRef, I forget his name, the maintainer of the Baby Ratatui crate, because I want to like make sure that we're doing the right thing instead of like having a somewhat of a hacky function split. So yeah, I'd like to, if you don't mind, I would like to take some time with this before we go ahead. Also, I'm planning to do like more frequent releases, so don't worry, I'm not gonna wait like 6 months. We waited 6 months because I don't know. because I was like, because I didn't pre-release probably, but if I push the other maintainers and we could probably move faster nowadays. Yeah, so I'd love to have a feedback from JX Reef Cooper, just to make sure that we're doing the right thing. So okay, let me finish my comments here. Apply buffer. The so what is the non-parameter here? Cursor position. What happens if the cursor position is none? We should probably document that the cursor is hidden when the parameter is none, which I assume is the case with the non-cursor, with none as the cursor position param. Apply buffer with cursor or something like that, with position with cursor. I don't know. Or apply buffer with position calls the function below with none as the param cursor position. So that the parameter is more obvious, and you could call apply buffer directly without none. Thanks for the PR. Thanks for the PR. I would love to get the feedback from JX Cooper first on this before we proceed. He's the Bevy Ratatui master. Actually, we could maybe ping someone else from the contributor list as well, because this crate is, I think, now being maintained by multiple people. But yeah. Come on. By the way, I have this work laptop, which is another ThinkPad, and I just realized it has a touch screen, which was a new thing for me. I didn't know it has a touch screen. Maybe mine has it too. No, I don't have a touch screen on this one, but the ThinkPad has a touch screen, which is an interesting upgrade. I never needed a touch screen on a ThinkPad. Yeah, he's not very active. That's why I was saying that maybe we could ping someone else that might be interested in giving a feedback. Welcome to your new life. Thank you, Namco, my only YouTube member. You're still a member, right, on YouTube? Guys, I should bring back the memberships. I should do member only videos probably. What am I looking at? I just want to see the contributors now. It's kind of weird. Yes, I am, bro. Appreciate the donations, I guess. It's like what, $5, $2? It's making a difference. Don't get me wrong. You are improving my life, okay? You're improving my life. So appreciate the donations. Appreciate your existence always, Namco. Tana pay. Oh shit. That's a lot actually. I should start a savings account. No, I'm kidding. You know, it's all friendly jokes, you know, right? Like I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Okay, maybe I can gold, silver, copper, maybe. Gold, silver, copper, I think might be interested in looking into this too. Also, it would be great if you could work on a POC PR in maybe Ratatouille with this, and with this it would help concrete concretize. Is that a word, guys? I don't think that's a word. I feel like I just made that up. It's a word. Concretize the implementation here. Guys, I'm already feeling German. I mean, I'm making words up, man. Come on. Give me my citizenship. Also, don't call it Berliner in Berlin. They don't like it here. The donut. I mean, I never eat that, so that's probably fine. Never heard of it, but it exists. I mean, I feel very German now that I'm making up words. No disrespect, don't get me wrong. One question, do you have the holy book with you? Man, how do you remember that? You are really one of the OGs. How do you even remember that? And now first of all, I don't have it. I'm sorry to say that, but I don't have it. But the fact that you remember that is actually pretty. What the fuck I was gonna say? I totally forgot. It's pretty shocking. The holy book. I'm not gonna tell, bro. You gotta go back in time, watch live streams from 1.5 years ago to understand that lore. But yeah, somebody should actually make a lore about what we're doing here. Okay, Orhun lore. Come on, Ferris. You've been in most of the live streams. You gotta write the lore. Okay, wiki or something like that. The holy book. People don't know that. We gotta document this, and then you can type in literally just Orhun wiki, Orhun lore, and then the holy book, and then there was like a page that you could read the lore. That would be so great, isn't it? It's a PHP book. Really like PHP. Really like Turkish. So yeah, it's a PHP book. It's a book that I had in my shelf for many live streams. I had that. So just to have a look. You mean the playbook? Do you guys remember the live stream that I did while I was like doing push-ups against the PHP book? That was good times. That was weird times too. That was weird, man. That was I ain't gonna lie, that was weird. Anyways, what are we doing now? We have this PR sorted out, I guess. I mean, we need some feedback on it. So yeah, let's check some releases. Okay, pull requests. Include cell. Actually, let me release this, and then we can try the Termina backend. That would be an interesting one. And migrate from Tableau to Tombi. I don't know why this is open. We could probably merge it. Support for configuring borders. This is a good one. I think I have added the this stuff to milestones already. You didn't bring your PHP book and the plushies, bro. I didn't bring the most important things. I'm sorry. I didn't have much space in the suitcase. I was too busy bringing all the I don't know what I brought here actually. Like so many things, like mostly just clothes. Okay, nothing else. Home changed. Yeah, home no longer home. So let's try to find the infamous. Is it infamous or infamous? Infamous probably. Infamous PHP book. My quest is to find a replacement and give it to you next time I'm in Berlin or Potsdam. Brother, if you do that, That would be so funny. Okay, when did I actually move it away? Okay, we have it here. We have it here. We don't have it here. We no longer have it here. So, oh, we have it there. So if you go to this live stream, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the lore, the PHP book. Let's have a look. Infamous. Infamous. Is it comfortable or comfortable? Oh man, good times, good times. I remember this. By the way, I'm gonna do more embedded as well. Okay, embedded coming soon. Let me announce that right now. Chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, I should have it. I'm gonna look very different in this one probably. Like, I don't know what is going on with my physical appearance, but I feel like I'm gaining and losing weight sometimes, and then that's just gonna change the way that I look. Here I actually look like I am right now. Look at the book. Look at the infamous book. Look at this shit. It's in the background. It has been there for a long time, bro. It's part of my existence now. What am I doing? Just drinking water. Man, I miss my room. I miss my room. Anyways, I'm gonna cry. So much aura. The book. I actually recorded a podcast and it was there the whole time. And yeah, it was just visible in the background. The next embedded project, Mars rover using Rust. Oh man, I'm gonna share that. Wait, let me take a screenshot. I'm gonna share it on JetBrains internal channels. Wait. Funny. So fucking funny. Oh man. I'm gonna copy that. Cool. I'm going to beg good luck. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. So Tombi, I think we can migrate to Tombi now. Let's fix the PR and let's migrate. Okay. So pull. So it's rebase main. CI has been modified. Oh, what is this? That's useful. That is useful. It's hard to read though. What has changed here? It's too big and it's hard to read. Oh, these ones have changed. So the checkout action and the Tombi. Wait, hold on. CI. How do I go to CI? I wanna. First time using this feature, by the way. Since I've just zoomed in so much, it's so hard to read. Wait, which point? Okay, so Tombi. I want to use Tombi, so accept left. Continue rebasing. What is going? I don't know what's going on. Normally, I choose to use some CLI base. It will use some JetBrains. I wonder why. I wonder why. Okay. I guess now it's resolved or some. Just to let you know, NXO, Um, I don't know if you know, but I now work at JetBrains. I think this is fine. Just updated the version, so that's probably fine. I don't like the change that we have made in VS Code settings, to be honest. It's not relevant. So continue. Corporate. I'm so corporate, guys. I'm so corporate. I'm not sure if I should flex my swag already. Okay, I should. Okay, you know what? I'm flexing it. I don't care. I don't care. So we little flex session over here. Little flex session over here. Boom. This is all it takes to. This is all it takes. Okay. JetBrains, let's go. Let's get it. What else do we have? I had this thing. Flexing. Like I'm gonna sell this on eBay. JetBrains 2026 June. Employee welcome card. 2,000 euros. Hit me up on eBay. We're happy that you're here. These things have emotional value. Okay, that's why it's we can anyways. Leak us some new updates, bro. Give me a break. I'm slowly getting into this. Okay, employed using GUI apps and has a girlfriend. Can you even call yourself an Arch user? Brother, you are breaking my heart. You are breaking my heart. Oh man. I am speechless. But you know what, Salmons? You know what, Salmons? Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. I'm still using Arch. And I have the Mobius strip in the terminal. Let's go. I have the Mobius strip and I'm on Arch. And life is good. I think your time is to switch distros. Guys, come on. Don't do this. I'm gonna remove the VS Code settings from this PR, by the way. Delete that. I think we code workspace. Except the fact that you're an official rustlang package maintainer. Fucking asshole. Bro, I am using... So, you calling me a corporate boy, I'm using ThinkPad, okay? I'm using ThinkPad, never leaving my homies behind. Still using ThinkPad in the corporate. Let's fucking get it. Actually, JetBrains is not... Is it a corporate? I don't know. My supervisors will watch the stream and they're like, "What the fuck are you saying? Don't live stream ever again." But you gotta take some risks. You know, life is like that. So I took this offer because my deep down I know that I wanna be a techno DJ, and that's why I moved to Berlin. I hate ThinkPad, brother. Please leave the stream. Brother, if you don't like ThinkPad, why are you here? Come on, man. Well, ThinkPad is corporate. Old ones were great. Well, I'm not using Mac at least. Come on, man. Code. Okay, so let me get some work done first of all. Hit ignore. First time writing proper code right now, ever since we started the live stream. Okay, remove VS Code settings. I love Mac. Let me take a sip from my monster. Keeps me calm, okay? Wait, I got a message. Does the air in Germany have anabolic steroids? Sheesh, you jacked as fuck. Okay, maybe. Guys, I'm not jacked at all. Come on, so JetBrains. Okay, I just need to shut the hell up and do some more. I'm shutting the hell up. So these are mostly formatting changes, I believe. And let's see. Tableau. In case you don't know, Tableau was a tool that we used to format Markdown. Sorry, the TOML files. TOML linter, I think. And yeah, there you go. If you use VS Code, recommend the Rust analyzer settings. Oh, I just removed that actually. I should bring that back. I should not remove that. Check out. Oh my god. Oh my god. VS Code. You don't remember something you were doing music around the Twitter era? Like you can actually learn to become a DJ. That's the goal. That's the goal, brother. That's the goal. Nobody knows that though. No, don't tell anyone, okay? Don't tell anyone. Actually, guys, JetBrains, the office, the Berlin office has a music room on the 7th floor. So they have guitars, drums, DJ kit. They have all kinds of things, okay? So I could start my DJ career in 7th floor, possibly. So you know how it is, man. Like you gotta start from somewhere, and I got all the benefits from my corporate from JetBrains. So why not? You know what? While I'm here, why not just do it? We can do it. We're gonna do it. Make it happen. Make it happen. Okay, guys. I think I'm done with the Ratatui release stuff. We can switch to another project, I think. Can switch to another project. I think I will release this tomorrow. Oh, I need to close the milestone as well. Close the milestone. Close the milestone. I think delete the stream after finish. I should probably be careful, like more careful about what I'm saying here. But you know, I'm not serious. Those are my opinions, not the opinions of my employer. I should probably give a disclaimer now in the beginning of the live stream. I am joking. The 90% of what I'm saying here is a joke. Life is actually a joke. So please, I just moved here. I wanna build some cool stuff. Keep me in the company. Yeah, I mean, they know me. I know them. They know that I'm like this. I'm fucking. Yeah, they know my inner motivations. Okay, They know that I'm gonna move. Like I moved here primarily for my DJing career, but we're just doing some Rust stuff as a side gig. side side gig. God damn, bro. I'm okay. I'll stop talking. I'll stop talking. I'll stop talking. Okay, so what the hell are we doing? I did that. The the checks should just work. Check the title, organize, clipping, formatting. I think it was part of the formatting, right? Let's check. Let me pretend that I'm doing some work in this live stream. Tableau. Sorry, not Tableau. We switched to Tombi, no? No? Wait, what? What happened? Did I do a merge error or something like that? JetBrains for Tombi. Why do I have Tableau still? I think we need to remove that one. Tombi. Oh, I'm in the main branch or something like that. Oh yeah, I mean that makes sense. It's part of the. Wait. Tableau. Lint formatting. So lint formatting. Unmelding. I don't wanna unmeld anything. Didn't you reset? Yeah, I just lost track, guys. Come on, it's 11 here. It's 11 here, Berlin time, and also I get a DJ set coming up, so I'm a bit sleepless tonight. I'm playing at the. No, I'm just joking. Okay, I'm just joking. But imagine the grind if I actually do that. If I go ahead, play a DJ set at 3 a.m. till 6 a.m. and show up at the office at 9 a.m. intoxicated but ready to work. ready to do some elder advocacy. Imagine the grind if I did that. Dude, now I feel like I just moved here. Okay, keep it slow, keep it chill. Start with some small steps. Small steps. Let me not jump right into DJing right off the bat. But anyways, so I think I'm done with the Ratatui stuff here. Let's switch to Ratty. It's called Rat Term. Where is it? Rat Term. This window. What's your secret DJ name? DJ Rat Chef. Something rat related. Attach it. Attach them. We attach the projects, something like that. So it's gonna take some time probably because it's gonna index some things. So when is JetBrains CLI? Yeah, we have some work to do before that, but I'm not gonna speak in behalf of my employer. I hope it happens. Let me refresh the tab. Let me refresh the tab here. Again, I am very, very surprised that the ThinkPad has a touch screen. I never used something like that before. Something like, what kind of an arch user am I at this point, right? Touch screen. Are you kidding? So new release discussion. So tomorrow morning, I will release this, and we're gonna go ahead and celebrate in the afternoon with some cheese. I will merge this, by the way. Let me take a final look. Actually, let me take a final look. I'm gonna actually hook up my GitHub account to RustRover because I want to see the GitHub PRs here. Login via GitHub. I will do that later though. I think that's gonna be quite fun to be able to see them. Windows. That's the branch. Wait, why am I on the Windows branch? Just go to main. We are always here. Always here, always here. Okay, we're gonna... All comments must be resolved. Do I care? Did we downgrade or something like this? No. I think we downgraded. That's not good. I think lint formatting I need to be. Where is the... Okay guys, give me a second. I need to fix this. I need to fix this issue. It's not good. Okay, so Tombi. I made a merge error. I made a merger in this branch only. Only include the Tombi related changes in CI YAML. Why the hash is why the hash is mismatching? What hashes are you talking about? I think I won't be able to get to the ratty stuff today, the PR. Oh, I think it might be about the merge error. We will figure it out soon, I think. But my guess is I have just accepted the suggested thing, which I think it broke the thing. Report correct window size back to portable PTY at all times. Do another PR. What is this formatting thing? Oh man, so many things. I am getting overwhelmed when I look at these PRs sometimes. Like I need to figure out how to do everything now. And now that I'm also dealing with life and Germany, it's gonna be a bit difficult. But we'll get there. Keep grinding. Grindhouse, guys. Grindhouse. I didn't even check the wait, pin entry. Just kill that. Let's see, DC. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Okay. If JetBrains ever made a CLI, they should call it Jet Pilot. I think it already exists, something like that. But I don't know. The comments are outdated. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead with this one. It should be good now. I only have the correct changes here, so. Yeah, it should be all good. You look so happy. I got a Zero Zucker Monster energy drink, bro. Ratty's codebase been kicking my ass, bro. Wayland shouldn't be this hard. Brother, it's Wayland. It's Wayland. What do you expect? They named it Junie. Yeah, it's called Junie now. Okay, since when am I live streaming? It's been 2 hours already? No, okay. Let's go for 10 minutes more and then should be good. Okay, so gonna check my emails. I want to check my GitHub notifications, but I can't. Guys, so busy he can only do 2 hour streams. Yeah, you're right. I mean, this is life now, but I mean, at the same time, I really feel the grind these days. Really feel the grind. Also, in case you're watching, and you also wanna feel the grind. Join grindhouse.dev. And why the hell do I smell weed? Someone just smoking outside, and the window is open. Maybe that's why. I hate the smell of weed, man. It's fucking nasty. Or maybe something is burning here. I have no idea. It is allowed in Germany. Yeah. We only have 3 pages of PRs. It's not that bad. Oh, Termina backend. Let's check this out. I'm so curious about this one. So, just to give you an idea of what you are in Berlin. Yes. I just realized, you know, sometimes it hits me. I just like I'm walking, I smell weed, and I look around, and yeah, okay, I'm in Berlin. I just remembered. So, yeah. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it's like that. Okay, so Termina backend. This is an interesting one because Helix is using Termina, and we now have this backend implementation for Helix's Termina library, which is interesting. I want to give this a try, run some demos, and the way that you use this is just exactly the same as the other backends. So if you're using like cross-term, you basically go ahead and swap the cross-term backend with Termina backend probably. So yeah, let's switch to this branch. I'm gonna explore Ratatui Termina in a second. Ratatui Termina. Rust terminus CCR escape sequences. So let's see, where's the, so we have the imports here. We have terminal. This is very similar to crossterm, by the way. This is just like doing the command handling and just printing stuff to the terminal itself, and that's it. I mean, if you have ever looked into how Ratatui backends work, it's just like printing some stuff to the terminal. So yeah, seems like it's just doing that. And the example that we have here is, let's have a look. Restore terminal, should quit. It's just not doing much actually. Do we have a Ratatouille core? Do we have, okay, we don't have a demo app for this. I think we can do this, like include this in the demo. Okay, let's move this to this milestone. Let's run it, guys. Let's run it in Ratty. Termin is such a non-searchable name. Yeah, it's a bit like that. It's not, I'm not gonna lie. So termina. Example termina. It's very simple. Like, it is not doing much. If we add this to the file, the demo2, the hell is going on outside, man? Demo2 app. So in this, oh, I didn't mean to add a breakpoint there. So, or maybe the demo one. Yeah. So add a termina. So okay, codex. Add the termina version, termina backend version to the demo app. C termina and demo examples. Demo, where is it? Which directory am I in right now? I'm in the wrong directory, man. Okay, add the termina backend version of demo app. C termina rs, and also demo main. Okay, let's see this, how this backend performs. Okay, for a real demo app, let's see how it works. In the meantime, we can do a Mobius strip. Just have fun with the terminal. You know, I wanna add like more features so that I can manipulate the 3D terminal more, but I haven't figured out. So we should have, okay, what's going on? Kolay gelsin abi. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank, mein Freund. Teapot terminal when? Okay, you know what? So many people actually requested this, so we are creating an issue. And I'm gonna mark it as good first issue. If you want to contribute to this project, teapot, we need that. We need the teapot terminal, so I'm gonna create that issue now. Okay, let's go to this. Can we speak Turkish? No. Absolutely not. You're speaking either German or English. So, Deutsch oder English. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch und ausgezeichnet English. That was a fucking terrible sentence. I'm sorry to all my German friends. I'm sorry. So blank issue. Teapot terminal. Mobius. Strip is cool and all, but we gotta step up our game here. Labels. Enhancement, good first issue, help wanted, and that's good. Good first issue is kind of funny because, you know, if you want to contribute to this project and you got this teapot terminal, it's not good first friendly at all. I'm building my own TUI framework in what's the recommended way to handle the concurrent screen updates without flickering base conditions or corrupted terminal output. Are you handling the terminal I/O yourself, or are you only doing the UI? Because I think cross-term, like if you use something like cross-term, it handles that for you. Maybe look into synchronization. So if you search for begin synchronized updates, so there's a terminal feature called synchronized updates. Maybe we could search for it here. Yeah, so this synchronized output, exactly. So this would help in terms of flickering and making everything smoother. So look into synchronized outputs. Sounds easy, to be honest. Ferris, I'm gonna assign this to you. Okay, we have the Termina addition to okay, how am I gonna copy this actually now? Okay, I need to cargo run. Let's run it. Termion, no. Why did I copy Termion? Termina. So let's see the performance of Termina backend. Thank you, no worries. Ferris, how am I gonna assign this to you? You need to comment here. For me to assign this to you, you need to add a comment. That's slow. That is slow. Let's see cross term. It's actually maybe because of my terminal. Maybe because of that, maybe not, I don't know. Ratatui, examples, apps, cargo run, no default features, Termina. What was the comment? No default features, P demo. Yeah, I mean, is there like a FPS limits to this or something like that, because why is it so slow? But at least it works, so I can commit this to the PR probably. Termina. What's the additional file that we have? It's in here. It's just similar to the other backends, I think. So it should be fine. Feet examples, add Termina version to the demo app. Deck sets. Why do I have that? Alternate screen. Okay. I added the Termina backend demo in Termina backend version of the demo app in. I hope you don't mind. Oh, I didn't update the X task. Update X task about this as well if needed. I can probably merge this now. It's not failing. I also need to update the changelog as well. Now we have a conflict. Guys, I need to go really soon probably. Oh my god. I have so many things to do. God damn it. It's gonna be fine. Keep grinding. Come on. God damn it. Wait, what? Oh, I need to pull. Okay, makes sense. Merge Green. Fix merge conflicts. It's because of formatting. DJ RustRover playing soon. Ferris, how did you read my mind? I'm not sharing my calendar, okay? I am playing at really special venues. Really special venues, okay? I'm not sharing my calendar with you. Oh, I might have a conflict on this one as well. What did I do? Did I say just new window or something? Like, what the fuck is going on? Split view? Since when do we have split view in Firefox? God damn, man. Firefox is like... terminal multiplexer now. God damn. Okay, this looks good, I think. Just reordering stuff. Git commit. I already committed it. Okay, so that's it. That's typos. Typos tumble is, yeah, that's probably fine though. Okay, new release tomorrow. I'm gonna do that in the morning. What else do I need to do? Probably nothing. It's all good. I am done for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I am so tired. Anything that you want to say as a last remark? I'm here for it. Thanks for watching again. This was fun. I'll try to do more when I have time. I guess goodbye. Yeah. I mean, auf Wiedersehen. Everyone, auf Wiedersehen. Take care. Auf Wiederhören. I don't know. Auf Wiedercoden. The fuck was that? Anyways, I'm out. Thanks for joining. Ferris, shout out to you. Namco. All my homies in the chat. I'm out. Thank you for joining, guys. Love you. From the bottom of my heart. Love you all. Keep grinding. I forget to do an outro. I'm sorry. It's been a while, okay? Give me a break. Okay, give me a break. I'm out. Alright. Anyways, I'm out. Goodbye. Also, I just like PHP a lot. I just joined the JetBrains PHP Storm team, but don't tell this to anyone. Just love PHP, man. That's the best programming language ever.